In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a RoboForex account. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your dashboard in your members area, hover over the help section and click on add a ticket down here at the bottom left. Now, what this is going to do here is going to take you to a page where you can add a ticket, and then here you will first have to choose your category of your question, click on choose, and then down here, because there's nothing regarding a closure of or deletion of your account, you can just go ahead and click on general questions. And then inside here under priority, you can leave it on normal, okay? So of course, make sure you do normal and not high, because as you can see, high is of course only available whenever you have your verification done. And of course, even if you do have, just leave it at normal so they don't actually become flooded with your requests to actually delete your account. And then under subject, you want to type in basically that you would like your account closure. So just type in like account deletion, account closure, something like that. And then if you would like to actually delete your trading account, just link the account number over here. But if you would like to delete your overall account, make sure you actually type it in over here like, hello, I would like to essentially just ask how I can delete my account, or if they can delete your account, and after that click on send, and then they will get back to you. Okay, and the reason I know that you actually have to request a ticket is because I actually asked them via this chat over here, and they told me I actually have to go and submit a ticket, and I have to ask to actually close an account via here. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.